Hey everyone, now you know what we learned in section 0, 1 and 2. Now let's move to section 3. So in section 3, we will learn about graphical user interface programming, in which we will learn that how we can create actual desktop applications by using programming. And everything here is step by step. First we will learn what is UI programming, then how we can create different kinds of object in a window, like these kinds of buttons, these kinds of buttons here, and everything like these labels, entries, whatever you require in any application, we will learn here. And each of these are followed by their particular nodes, which consist of every kind of method, option, and the requirement or any description you need. So you don't need to worry about anything here. After this one, we will learn databases, in which you will learn that how to store the data of your application and where to store that one, so that you did not require to worry about that. Just after this one, we have turtle graphics, in which we will learn how we can create graphics by using Python, and how we can create moving objects, and how we can create figures that can actually move with the help of our keyboard, like the keys there. So after this one, for the practice of GUI programming, we have a number of projects here. So in this one, you will build many projects. Now, don't you think that someone is staring us from the very beginning of this video? Then you are right. There we have someone. A cute but very sad cat. So this is actually a project of this section. In this section, we are going to build these kinds of projects like games and animations that will make the students excite. Because already we have learned 20 hours plus of content. Now maybe few students are bored. So we require something that will make their interest go on. So games are very best in that. So in this section, we are going to build a number of games and more projects than the other modules or other sections that we have done before. And this is one of them, a cat, which became sad when we did not pay attention to this. And when we pay, this became very happy. And also this one makes some kind of gestures like this. So this is not just one. We have a number of these. Like, let me show you some of these here. And we begin with these kinds of things. Creating very simple graphics first that will automatically created by the help of just programming. Then we will move to something that will help to learn the motions and these kinds of gestures and how we can create these kinds of figure actually in programming. We will build these kinds of large codes by which we will learn these applications, and we have a lot more. Let me show you something else here also. Something that we can move on the screen by using the motion of figures. This is actually a part of this program. We also have some games like, let me show you something else here. A database application. This one is not actually a game, but still one. Let me go and search for a game. There you go, maybe a game here, a card flipping game, in which we flip actually cards. If they match, they stay, otherwise they get flipped over again. This is also a game with Python. And the one I'm looking for to show you and very excited about is the one favorite of most of us, a caterpillar game, which most of you have already played. And we are also going to build this one here, in which we have a snake, eat leaves, get score, hit wall, game over. And we have different more games also here. So this one is full of projects for practice, so that there will be no doubt in any student. We will build a caterpillar game, a matchmaker game, then a screen pet like the cat. Then we also build a smart calculator that is very different from a normal calculator, and you are going to love this one. Then we have your own database application that I have shown you there. Then we have another game that is an egg catcher game, which is the main project of this section. So this is the end of this section, and this is not the end of this course. Until now you have the data up to this point, but soon more and more data will be added and the course will be updated every month here, so that you will be updated with every technology in Python. Soon you will get the data that will help you to learn the Python programming for web development, in which we are also going to build website like Apple website. So we will build this web page by using Python and some technologies. We will also learn web scraping there. So we can make web scraping projects. We also build a website blocker. And after this one, you will get much more data that will be updated here. So time to time, we will update the data so that you can learn more and more. So this is all about this course, that what you are going to learn here and what is the content of this course. So right now the course is actually 30 plus of hours, but soon when the more data will be added time to time, it will become more than 50 hours of data. So I hope you will enjoy this course, and I hope you have everything you require in Python to learn. So if you need something that should be involved in this course, please make us know so that we can also update that one in this course, and you will get the complete benefit from this one. So thanks for watching. This is all about what's inside the course, and I will see you in the next video.